Hello friends, it's Florian Stollmayer. Right now I'm in Passau in Lower Bavaria. They also call it the Bavarian Venice. Passau is famous for three top sites. The old lovely townhouse, which was built in the 13th century. The Cathedral St. Stephan, which was established in 1686, which has the biggest church organ in the world. And then also the castle Feste, Oberhaus, which thrones above Passau, where we can have a nice look down there to the Danube River. Let's take a look around. Hello friends, it's Florian Stollmayer again. I'm on the way to the Cathedral St. Stephan, which was established in 1686, and it contains the biggest organ in the world. Isn't it,
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Hello friends, this is here a lovely view over to the Danube River, which is the second biggest river in Europe. And this is here the castle Feste Oberhaus, which was established in 1219 AD by the Archbishop of Passau. I give you a closer look here. Here it is. Hello friends, I'm your host Florian Stollmayer. Right now I'm standing in front of the Cathedral St. Stephan in Passau in Lower Bavaria. This Baroque church was established in 1668 and contains lovely Baroque architecture and the biggest organ in the world. Let's take a look around here. Here we can see the statue of the first king of Bavaria, Joseph Maximilian. And in the back is a lovely cathedral, St. Stephan, with the biggest organ in the world inside. Let's take a look around here a little bit. This is Florian Stollmayer, and here you can see the cathedral from the back, and also this nice Italian fountain and the typical Italian piazza. As I already said, the architecture is very much like in Italy. Here's a touristic group, most likely from the United States or Canada. They just visited the cathedral. There was a concert there because, as I already said, they have the biggest organ in the world there, and they have every day at noon organ concerts in the lovely cathedral St. Stephan. Here it is from the back. Hello friends, it's Florian Stollmayer. Right now I'm standing in front of the castle called Oberhaus on a hilltop in Passau in Lower Bavaria. This was built in 1219 AD and was the seat of the Archbishop of Passau for a long time. Let's take a look around here. Down there is also the Danube River. Hello again friends, it's Florian Stollmayer. Right now I'm walking along the Danube River in Passau, Lower Bavaria, and at the end of the walk the Danube River comes together with the Inn River. This is quite a lovely little place here to watch. And here again on the left side you can see the castle Feste Oberhaus, which was established in 1219. And here's the Danube River, and in a while we're gonna see also the Green Inn River. And here's a boat. Remember, the Danube is the second biggest river in entire Europe, after the Volga River in Russia. The name of the boat is Maria Theresia, after the Austrian queen who lived in the 18th century. Hello again friends, right now I'm at the spot where the Danube River and the Inn River comes together. Here's the Danube River where the boat is, and here on the right is the Green Inn River. Remember, Passau is located actually on 3 rivers. The Danube River, the Korean Inn River, and the Ilz River. The Ilz River is somewhere else, it's not right now here. But this is here the Inn River. It has a very green color. And here's the Danube. They also call it the Blue Danube or the Blaue Donau. Hello friends, it's Florian Stollmayer. Right now I'm at the spot where the Blue Danube River here on the left unites with the Korean Inn River. This is here on the right side. This is quite a lovely view here.